Now I can see. Okay. Okay. But Renalda, it looks like, can you please change your appearance? I don't know if I'm the only one or yes, I think it's good.
Okay. So as I was saying, I connected to my Galaxy database, connected to Plus, and I created my database. As you can see, this is the command. I changed my size to 22. Oh, something is wrong on this database. Something is wrong. Anyway, this is the commandment. Something is wrong. Oh my god.
So where are your multiplex or Hidulux?
Created the okay. Space. And what did I do?
What did you do wrong?
My data files are wrong.
How? You do have a comet, asteroid, black hole, and moon. So you're good. I don't know.
No, I mean my data files, not my table space. My data files.
Okay.
I have a question for you guys. Since I am dropping this table space, if I want to get them back, what should I do?
I'll tell them.
I need to recall, please.
Is it flashback drop?
Thank you. Flashback what?
Is it drop or flashback database? I'm not sure. Flashback something.
No, it's flashback drop.
Okay. Can you select all from?
You do flashback drop.
Select all from data file a little bit. Let me see, please.
Okay.
Can I record another?
Yeah, I just granted you.
Okay.
You want me to select?
Select all from VDollar data file. Because I remember last time when Emerald was dropping table spaces, she did like drop table space including content or something like that.
Hey, Anita, when did you send us?
So what
was that?
It is your command. It is not select all from data file. It is select.
No, I select name from VDollar data file.
Yes.
Select name and not. Oh my god.
VDollar data.
Renalda, go back.
VDollar.
From VDollar.
VDollar.
Dollar.
What did you drop? The table space?
I dropped the table spaces. Obviously,
okay, they're not there. Okay.
So let's see
flashback. I thought they said like what Anita was saying is advisable to always when you're dropping them, always drop them using the command she said. Anita said.
Again, I don't know what that was for. That's why I wanted to see. But I saw her doing something like drop table space including content or something like that.
Including content and data files.
Anyways, it dropped it, so.
Yeah, it's gonna drop, you understand? But the reason why they usually, I think I read about that, like the reason why they drop that is like you making sure you're removing everything concerning that same table space. Like sometimes I think the explanation was like some files might be hidden files, right? Like you can drop it and I think it can still be showing like it's online or something like that.
Exactly.
I don't really know how I can put it, but they say when you drop it, mentioning including content and data file.
And data file, it deletes everything, all the content, both the
So
ones
when you
that
do
are
what?
hidden.
I didn't really get you.
When you're dropping a table space, it's advisable to drop it including content and data files.
Okay.
Because if you check on online, right, the command to drop, you will see most of them always include, they always emphasize on that. Some might just use drop table space, including content.
Yeah, Renaldo said that.
Some use it including content and data file.
But you say you have just to flash it back, right?
I don't want to get the database back, the table space back. I guess I made an error in the commas I put there. I mean, no. This is everyone creating database file /auditor/galaxy/star01. Oh, then what the hell did I do? What the hell is going on?
Check again your data, your table space. But it seems like you don't have it. But so why?
Hey, see me something.
It's there.
Hey, okay, I'll do
What
the
did it say?
flashback. I thought I had a problem. Flashback. Is it
Don't you have to enable your database first? Don't you have to enable it to flashback first?
I have to enable flashback?
I don't know. I think you actually you didn't commit, so I think you can.
Flashback drop table space, I think. Table space. Let me try start.
Okay, I'm not sure what you're trying to do.
I'm trying to get back those. Okay, no problem. That's fine.
Maybe because
no, that's fine. I know what I'm
it's saying that it already exists or what?
Yes.
Okay, maybe that's because you didn't drop it including content and whatever.
Hey, what?
Did you put it offline before dropping?
I don't need to put it. I don't need to put it offline to drop it. Invalid option for create table space. Oh wow.
Hold on. Then maybe it's your command. Hold on, size.
My command is okay, right?
Sorry, Renata.
The second comment too, there is no DBF after that. You didn't put DBF.
Which one?
And you didn't close string. Data file too. The second data file.
First, it's supposed to put comment 02.dbf.
Yeah,
First
include the
Since
string.
something is wrong. Something is wrong, guys, because I just copied something. I copied what I did here, and it created the table space.
But it's not the
Oh,
same
okay, I
thing though.
see. Okay, I see.
Did it create it though?
It created it. The problem is that okay, I see it in the problem. Okay.
Sorry. I don't see 03.
Nothing 0 to either.
No, I just see 4 and 5.
Because who sent me to drop the thing? Okay. I'll do something. Okay. I think something. I don't think. Okay. I was show. Okay. We don't flash back a table space. We flash back a table, not a table space. We restore a table space. Okay. I'm just gonna restore it on Arman.
Wait,
Any problem?
Renata, say that again. You said
We don't flash back a table space. A table space, we restore a table space. We flash back a table.
are you sure it's supposed to be like that, or instead the other way around, like the table and table space?
No, we restore a table space. We flash back a table. Area of restore table space not found in the recovery catalog. Oh my God. Okay. I have to do a point in time recovery. I'm looking for an easiest way to restore that.
You don't even have any backup of it.
That's it.
Why don't you just delete the data, not the database, but the data files and do it all over? Like I don't know how you're going to be able to restore right now.
Okay, let me do.
Or
the problem is that you cannot even. Okay, let me just select. Because you cannot see the data file.
Then just drop the table spaces, including content and data files, and then see what it says.
How can I drop a table space that doesn't exist anymore?
But it's telling you, giving you an error that it's already existing, right?
If you cannot see the data file, you go drop it in WinSCP, right?
The data file exists, but not the table space.
Go drop it in WinSCP.
Yeah, probably, yeah.
Okay. Okay, so, I see the problem. I see the problem. Okay. What is good? Okay, so the issue is that when you do it on
logical and physical, something like that. When you drop
when you drop a table space without including the contents and files, it drops it logically and not physically. Yes, it drops it logically but not physically. That means that the file is no more than logically, as you can see on SQL Plus, but it is still there on physically.
That's what I was explaining about the command. Anita said the other time that when dropping, it's always good to always use content and data files. You're dropping the table space with including its content and data files.
I guess everybody understands what we're doing. Okay.
Question, what are you doing? You're trying to drop it.
And to drop. Oh God.
But did you not, is it not in Aura Data? You put in Aura Data.
I'm not seeing it.
Just refresh your screen, you'll see it.
Okay.
Wow, you have so many things in here.
Okay, so this is the data files. I'm trying to.
And just drag everything and delete them. Well, okay. Except the example and stuff. You drag from your left, your right.
My right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, don't delete the important ones. Example and sysocs and all that. You don't want to delete those ones.
Yeah, just take stop by control maybe.
Even the control amount not delete.
Yeah. Yeah, you need your control files.
Yeah, stop by comment.
Oh.
Okay. I don't understand.
Just right click on there, like where you selected.
Delete it, yes.
Oh Lord. Okay. Okay, now, yeah.
Okay.
Are you using a mouse?
No.
Yeah, that's a good investment. If everyone can get a mouse, it's so much easier on a laptop.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
I will get mine too.
it's so much faster.
Okay, I will.
It
Thank you.
hurts your hands less. Because when
That's
you're
true.
always dragging and
If it was an exam, I would have lost a lot of time.
so you wait, like right when you select it, then on top of that, just right click. Not towards the end, just on top. Yeah.
And that I even want to join.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I think I'm good. Okay. So guys, whatever you're doing these days, you need to understand what you're doing. If not, you're good to go. You're good to fail. Oh, it's not. There is no 03.
If I get pink.
Bibish. Hi, Bibish.
Yeah.
Party.
Chidi?
I mean, how was the party?
Sakisa is there. Sakisa, tell us about your party. Sakisa was enjoying himself without his group.
Yes, baby.
And that
you guys drank grape juice.
Asking about the party.
Sakisa, you have to tell us you are sorry about that party.
Yeah, of course.
Then what are you waiting to now? You say yes, of course. Then what are you waiting to since the party till today?
Sakisa gave you a lot of grape
he has to apologize, man.
He didn't give us grape juice. Sakisa showed up
No,
at
he
11
wasn't
o'clock.
there.
He wasn't there.
It was self-service. Everything was there.
Sakisa, we was coming to see you, man.
Sakisa, what do you mean was self-service? Everything was there. Did you tell us, or we will just enter somewhere and just start drinking and just start doing things without even knowing what is going on, not even seeing who we came there for? I came to their place at 8:30 and I left around 8:30 and I left that place at past 11 without
Yes, David.
Yes, I have a concern. I'm not able to finish my database. My device is full.
Oh, you have a memory.
You have a space problem.
Mm.
What am I gonna do?
I think Marinette had that issue, which is
yes. The other problem is that the server refused to grant me the permission to go again in GBCA.
That's because it's full.
That means your machine is really full.
The US01 is full.
Deleting everything from WinSCP first. And then you
WinSCP.
can try deleting it from DBCA.
Why in Aura Data?
Yes, the stuff that you don't need.
Search.
Oh, geez.
Akisa, we need our grape juice.
I thought you guys drank a lot of juice on this.
Oh, geez.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
I guess everybody is doing it too.
I'm not doing.
Okay, you have to be doing it.
Okay, let me go back to my page.
So somebody gets ready for the next question. Size specified is smaller than minimum required.
Excuse me. This question is it question 3, right? The multiplexing question. It says multiplex the Redulogs to 2 different directories. Our data galaxlog, I think that's the first directory, and then the other one is u01/log. That's the other directory. And then in brackets it says 24 Redulog files. So we have to make them 24 Redulog file, or I don't understand.
24 divided by 4 is 6. So it's going to be six groups, which have 4 Redulogs, 4 members each.
Ah, okay.
Okay, I think I see.
Wait, Anita, say that again. Say what divided by what? 24 divided by?
24 divided by 4 is equals to 6. So that means four groups.
6 members per group. Okay.
No, four members per group. So if you have 6 groups, you have 4 members per group. It's going to be 26 files. I mean 24 files.
4 groups, 6 members.
No, 6 groups. 6 groups, 4 members per group.
Okay.
Okay, I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I think I'm good. So who wants to do the next question?
Joe.
Okay, Joseph, share your screen then.
Who's Joseph?
Joseph. you were just asking about that question.
So.
We have not reached there. I was just asking. Since let me finish this question. Is it question 2?
Who else? Who wants to do it?
You're really sharing your screen, so.
Okay. So the question says, multiplex the ridiculous to two different directories. That's what I did that. Let's get it slow. Okay, the first thing I want to do is create those directories. Slash data slash galaxy log slash. I don't need to put a string. That's string. Oh, I do. Okay.
No, you don't.
No, you don't.
Okay. Data.
You put exclamation to mkdir, right? Before X, because it's.
That's right. That's fine. I'll just do it and copy and paste. Galaxy log. Okay, so the next one I want to create is mkdir minus pv slash u01 slash log. Okay, I want to select from v log file. Okay, and I'll select from v log. Okay. My group 1 and 2 are inactive. So the question wants me to multiplex and resize 4 per groups. Two different multiplex the video to 2 different directories. That's for data. No. Okay. Okay. So I will alter database. There's something wrong with this question.
What is it?
Wait. It is.
No, nothing wrong.
Three groups.
It's put three groups in Data slash galaxy log and 3 groups in u01 slash log.
Yeah, you just divide the groups now. 3 per directory.
They say 4 group.
4 per group.
We do files.
Then my problem is that those 24, if there are 3 groups and they say 4 per group,
you have to add member.
Right now, guys, we're going to add some groups.
We're gonna add some.
Okay.
Renata, that's why I asked that question. That I saw that 26 data file. That's it. That's exactly why I asked now.
24 we do log file. That means we need to add. But the question also says 4 per group.
Okay, the total has to be 24 redo logs, and then they have to be 4 per group. So that means you just divide 26 by 4, and then you get 6. If you have 6 groups, you have 4 in each one of them. It gives you 24 files.
I think no, the question is clear. The question wants us to have 4 groups.
Members, yes.
Four members per group. That means we instead add the groups and not the members.
What?
We instead need to add the groups and not the members.
What is data file?
No, there are only three members in a group, not four.
Right?
Because you have to have four per group. There are only 3 members in a group. So that means you have to add 1 to the ones that are already existing and add 3 more groups with four files.
They said,
hold on.
okay, we have 3.
You get confused.
The question is clear. In bracket 24, we do log files. That means you need to add the groups and not the Redulog files, and not the members inside the groups. You need to add the group to have 24 Redulog files. You cannot add the members. The question is so clear. They say 4 per group. You cannot add the members in the group. You need to.
What are you arguing? Like, we've seen this in the first exam.
The 3 first group, you're going to add 3 members per each group. They're going to be 12 members, right? And then you're going to add 3 more groups and adding 3 members per each group on those 3 additional groups to have 24 groups, 24 members.
I don't understand.
I told you she get confused.
The total, you want 24 files in total, right?
Yeah.
And it says, the question says they have to be four members per group. So that means if you have six groups, right? You have 6 times 4, it gives you 24 files.
Exactly.
That's what I'm saying.
So that means for group 1, 2, and 3, you're going to add 3 more members, and then you're going to add 3 more groups with 4 files in there.
That's what I'm talking about. We want to add the groups,
even the members.
And the members too.
So yeah, Renata, you have to add 3 members for each of those initial groups. I add 3 other groups.
With
members.
How many members does each group have right now? The three groups.
They only have 1.
They have 1, right?
One.
Which means now we have to add 3 to each.
3.
Right? To the existing.
We have to multiply normally. We put it to 4, right?
Yeah, and then we add now different groups, which are also going to have 4, like the ones.
Exactly. That's what I'm talking about. Okay.
Yeah, we are saying the same thing, so let's be.
I guess everybody understand what we're doing. David, Sakisa, everybody. Okay, so I want to drop the first group, auto database drop.
Don't you want to see if it's empty first? Like select byte and members and all that.
I actually did, but it should.
To see if what is empty.
To see like if it's if you can drop
everything.
it. Yeah.
This is everything. This is the byte. This is the sequence. This is
the okay. I
don't need to do the select member status. You can just select all from $log.
Okay.
It gives you everything.
So you do have only 3 groups.
So you can drop 1 and 2. Actually, if you try to drop 1 and 2, it's not gonna let you drop it. It says like it needs to have at least 2 members. I mean 2 groups.
Exactly. Yeah, we do like you need to have at least 2 groups.
2, yeah. That means you have to do them one by one.
Auto database. Hey, don't tell me I've already forgot this.
Drop.
Oh. I want to remove redo 01. Okay. alter database at log 5 1. Everybody have the question, you just stop me. I have to resize it to multiplex 30 and alter database at log 5 with 1. Okay. Alter database at log 5 members. It was 01A dot log. I don't even remember these things. To group 1. Am I correct? To group 1. Alter database at log 5 members.
Yes, you will. Oh, okay.
And we're also going to add 2 security groups to it. For now,
See. Log. One, two, three, four. Okay, I think we're good with this one.
Yeah. Hold on.
1, 2, 3. I think that this is 4. So
Another. Did you change? You didn't. You did not change the directory. The path. You see, maintain Galaxy or Adapter Galaxy.
Excuse me?
They say we should put them in 2 directories, right?
Put them in 2
Also put it in
directions.
Galaxoc.
Huh?
It is
In 2 3 should be in 1 directory and the other, but you have not. You still maintain our same directory or Adapter / Galaxy.
I think it was Galaxoc.
You created
to 2 different directories. Okay. I don't know if I'm the one who's not understanding. I thought we will be creating the other groups we are going to create. I thought that's where we'll be using those Galaxlog and user1/log.
It says multiplex the redo logs to 2 different directories. So slash data / Galaxlog and U01. So three groups are supposed to be in Galaxlog and 3 groups should be in U01/log. No group should be in
Galaxy.
Yeah, Galaxy.
That means I did everything wrong.
Yeah.
And you guys will watch me.
No, I just realized that. I just came in and I just realized that. But you created
how many groups she already dropped and hits?
Just one.
So yeah, you can just drop it again.
Yeah.
First of all, remove all the files.
I don't
even me, I didn't really get it.
Drop it.
No, if I drop the file, it's still gonna be there.
Oh, really?
So how many groups she had? It's like 4 already. How many members? 4?
Yeah, she has to remove all the 4 members.
Oh, yeah.
Then drop the group now.
Unexpected UFY will be for matching. Oh, okay. Okay, good. Now, if you guys should pay attention, if I make an error, let me know.
Select again everything for.
Okay, I want to ask.
We can see which one.
Service at log file. You want me to? Okay.
Yes, select first.
You want to see what first of all?
I need to see your group members. So your log file. Select.
Is it log or log file? Log file.
I see members log file, right?
It's the contrary.
Select member. No members.
I can either select members from $log or I select member from $log file.
Yes.
Okay, good.
Let's go.
I deleted the
one.
text.
Yes.
Okay. So my question is, that means my group 1 should be in /data/galaxy, right?
And the group 2 will be what? Where? Because you have to have like 4 groups. So 4 groups.
No, I'm talking about I'm still talking about the, because you guys just mentioned those galaxy log and U01/log.
Let me see.
You shouldn't have any redo logs in /radera/galaxy.
Okay,
So
that means even my group should be in /radeta/galaxy log or
/galaxy
when
log.
you drop it and you remove it from from Galaxy, when you alter it, it automatically puts in those directories.
Say that again.
You see the RM command, you don't have to like copy or whatever, you know, when you alter the database, it automatically puts it in that location physically.
Wait, I don't understand what you
Me either.
You see how you remove here, right? It was already in Galaxy.
Galaxy redo log.
Yeah. So now if you alter and you change everything to Galaxy log, you don't have to go in and copy or anything. That's what I mean. Like if you want to.
I don't get it.
We used to do it when we're doing recovery to recover redo log files. What was that command again? When you want to recover redo log files, right? When you deleted them and lost, is alter database add log file.
Until cancel.
Add log file member. Alter database add log file member.
What are we talking about?
You just, since she deleted it physically, you just want her to add it physically again, right?
No, that's not what I mean. Never mind, actually, it's fine.
But you remember when we're trying to recover the redo log files when we're doing recovery, we just needed to alter the database and add log file members, and it would create itself physically, right?
Yeah.
So maybe if since she removed it physically, maybe if she was to just alter it and change it the location, it might work anyway.
No, I think like when you're adding the data, when you're altering the database and adding files, it automatically adds those files physically. That's what I mean.
Yes,
so
exactly.
if, for instance, you make a mistake on this one that she's doing right now,
yes,
she'll have to go and still remove it physically.
Remove it.
Physically.
So you have to, you are removing. Okay, Galaxy log, yes. Okay.
Redo, Renola.
Redo 01A. Copy. B. So how many groups? It's like you are putting 3 on Redo, on Galaxy log, and the 4th one on Redo, on U01. They say,
I think it doesn't matter, right?
As
long as the 2 of them are in one group, you can put 2, you can put 1.
Okay. So many members.
Okay. One, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
Now I'll put this one in it's a typing error.
You made a mistake by double.
Missing alter database outlook file mem. Okay. Everybody sanitize.
Mm-hmm.
You guys are not even talking. It's like I'm working alone. Hey, girl, what did I do?
We are there, Ronaldo.
No,
I just did an error. Oh my god. But I don't have this thing anymore. So which one did it remove?
I see like you remove
Hey, you guys would give me. I mean, I remove. Okay,
Ronaldo, you're the one that had that money of DB1. You should not be embarrassing yourself. You're the one that had that DB1 money. You should be doing this thing like ABC.
Select members from B to like log 5. Okay. So I hope it doesn't affect my multiplexing because I didn't have this one. I've already dropped this. So it's not supposed to exist anymore. Select member from B to log 5. We do 002. Okay, so as I was saying, it doesn't affect my thing. Okay, that's fine. 1, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's fine. I wanted to do it for Windows 03 instead. Three. Database of that. Now I want to add the members. Okay. Was it 30 or 50 that we were using? 30. Okay. Somebody gets ready for the next question. Anybody have a question, please ask. I already part of the okay. Okay, I have to have 6 groups, right?
Yes, it's 6 groups.
Oh. Okay, I have exactly 24 Reduloc files. So I'm done with that question. Somebody else should do question 3. Somebody else should do question 4. I mean,
Renata, I have an emergency. I'm going to step out maybe for 30 or 45 minutes.
I'm actually doing it right now, so I can share my screen. And
okay, Marinette. All right, that's one.
Okay, to what? I don't know.
Share your screen. I guess everybody is in question 4 too. Or more.
Okay, I've already created a directories. This is a command here. I've altered the system already. This is here, so I put 4 of the control files in my control and 3 of them in user1.ctl. So right now, I just want to duplicate the files. So that's the script that I created. So right now, I just want to duplicate
So have
the
you
file.
shut it down?
Yes, I've shut it down. Let me go to my podium. Yep. Yeah, I've shut it down. So this is where I altered the system. This is where I created a directory. I actually forgot to shut it down before doing the copy. So that is why we had all these mistakes here. And I was actually
I'm just seeing your notepad. I don't know if I'm the only one. I'm just seeing your notepad.
Oh, yeah, probably. Yeah.
Me too.
Yeah, let me share again. Screen share. Okay, can you see my putty now?
Yeah.
Okay. So
I have a suggestion.
Uh-huh.
On your script, can you bring your script back up for a sec?
Sure.
So for when you're copying, right? For control 1 and 2, can you just move it instead of copying it? Because in one question, you're going to be asked to take like a full database backup. So that means you're going to end up having 2 control files, control 1 and 2 control 2.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. Actually, my initial idea was to copy it and go delete those ones, but I could still move it. Yeah, it doesn't make any. Doesn't really.
Okay.
Make
So
sense.
what I did is I did it the way you did right here, but on the first one, no. The move command, I did it at the last point, because if you're moving
Yep.
and then you want to copy, it might say that it's not found in that directory.
In that directory.
Yeah,
Anymore.
what you mean?
Yes,
What I mean.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
I did the move. So I did everything for control 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then
Yes.
at the bottom I move control 1 to the new location for control 1 and control 2 to the new location for control 2.
Yes, now, 1 second, please. So you're copying.
Can you post that idea again? I didn't get it.
Okay. So initially you have slash data slash galaxy slash control 0, 1, and 2, right?
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, but just to make sure, Anita, if I had done it that way, like I do the copy and I go delete the ones that are in the directory, the control 0, 1, and 2.
That will work too.
So okay.
Yeah.
Anita, please, can you explain? You said because of what? That's why you can remove and then delete.
Because you know, if you leave that control 1, you're still copying whatever is in galaxy slash or data slash galaxy, and you're moving it to that to or data slash my control. That means you're gonna end up having 2 control 0, 1, but in different directories. But if you just move them, then you're just gonna have 1.
But just so that okay, Joe, maybe Joe is still not understanding. Joe, what is happening is
exactly.
What is happening is that we already have 2 control files which are found in Galaxy in or data slash Galaxy.
Yeah.
So we want to multiplex those control files. That is why we are copying these control files first, so that it becomes control 03, control 04, 5, and 6, 5, 6, and 7.
Yeah.
Before going and moving these ones, because if we move these ones and we leave this directory, this database is not going to recognize.
Maybe I'm confused about the question because from the.
But Anita, just to come back to what you were saying, if I still do this copy this way, and I decide to go do a full backup of my database, in principle, let me say the Araman copy. In principle,
the thing is, like in question 19, is asking you to take a user managed
okay.
So,
okay.
Like, you will have
you're definitely
to.
right. Yeah, when
that
I
means
go
you're
to
going to end up having 2 control
multiple
0, 1
databases. Yes.
and 2 control
Why do you
0,
say that,
2?
Anita? In the hot backup, why do you say he's going to end up having that?
If I don't delete it,
you're just copying control 0, 1 to control from your control 0, 1 from Galaxy to my control, right?
Yes.
So that means is the control in my Galaxy is still going to be there, and you're still going to have another one in my control.
I'm actually going to have a problem because one of the copies is not going to work. It's going to tell me that that this copy already exists, you know, and if I use a wrong copy, I'm going to have a problem. So that's the thing.
I don't understand what you mean.
Like if I was doing the user managed backup, right, and I decide to take everything that is in slash Oradata slash Galaxy, and I put it in my backup location. Once I'll go and remove again everything that is in slash Oradata slash my control, and I want to put it there, it is going to tell me that control 01 and control 02 already exist.
I don't think so, because remember they say the name of the file is its full path. So they don't have the same path. So it's not the same thing.
No, but you remember when you are copying from, okay, you say they say that the name of a file is full path.
It's full path. So I don't think it's gonna give you that error.
No, it's gonna give. I've done that before. It's gonna give.
Okay.
100%. Yeah. So
I don't think so, because like even the way we did it in DB1, that's what we did. That's the way Emerald taught us to just copy it. We'll end up having 2 control 1s and 2 control 2s, and it still worked.
No, maybe you've never tried it. I've tried it.
I mean, maybe I guess on the.
You never. It cannot. If you try to put control01.ttl in one directory and you bring another control01 in that same directory, it is not going to make like word is going to write copy. It's going to tell you that no, this file already exists.
Really? Okay.
Yes.
So I guess the best thing is to move it then.
No, I guess the best thing is to move it. The best thing is to
do you want to try? Because I really want to see what you're talking about.
The best thing is to move it, but we can do it. You know, the best thing is to do it, but we're going to do it.
I think Anita has forgotten. It's not control01. If you are going to copy, it's going to have to be control01A. It can't be the same control01.
Oh,
exactly.
yeah. Okay.
If you
okay.
want,
Now
if you want to copy, you have to change the name of that control file.
It has to be control01A because once you post control01, it won't take it. There has to be something behind the
exactly.
one.
Exactly.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Okay. Now I remember that part.
Yeah.
But it's always safer. Like.
No, we're definitely going to move it. I think it's less steps.
Let me see how it's going. God, what people have just explained, I don't. Maybe I have my own ways to do it. Let me see what's going on.
Okay, start.
Did it work?
Try to start up the database
directory.
Oh, did you create a directory?
Yeah, I created a directory. I just don't know if it worked. I don't know why we have.
Try to start up.
I don't know why we have.
Down, right?
I don't know why we have this target here. It's not a directory.
It's an error.
Yeah, you
not a directory.
Error, like the copy.
Okay, wait, let me see
I don't think you removed the copy.
Slash or data.
Go back to your script.
I think the second one did not work. Probably did a mistake. It's not a directory.
Slash or data slash my control.
Okay.
Wait, just go back to your script for a sec.
Yeah.
Wait, what's the matter?
No, this is the matter.
The error is.
This is the matter.
Okay, yeah. You're right.
Yeah, this is the matter.
Oh, see, that's what I was saying. It was saying that was not present. So because you already moved the control 01, so it was saying that it's no longer there.
Yeah, normally it should work now. I'm going to start up. Huh. Apparently, all the control files did not move.
That's why I was telling you to start up your database to see the error.
No, this one work now. I think the premise at this level is up here.
Did you create the P5 from the SP file? You did not.
The P5 from the SP file? No.
Yeah, after you copy, you have to create the P5 from the SP.
Shut down the database again and create a P5 from SP file.
But I did scope SP file, right? Does it?
Exactly. Reason why you need to create P5 from SP file.
You would even shut down the media too. It was in a pod.
Okay.
So let me start up again. Well, let's try. I don't think it's gonna work, but I think what's going to happen is I have to go to those directories. I have to go and look the directory. I I should go and look the directory cd to /our data /my control. Yeah, I have
that mv command.
I have 02 there. I have 03. I have 04. So what is lacking in there? It is 01, right?
Yeah, it's 01.
Wait, Desmond, why do you have only 4? I thought it was 7.
No, the other ones are going to use 01 something.
Oh, okay.
So this one did not work. Envy event not found.
There's the
exclamation mark.
Exclamation sign at the beginning.
Ah, okay. I was like, man, did I delete a control file? Well, okay. I didn't even shut down. Did I even shut down before doing this?
I mean, does it
Anyway,
really matter? I don't
the
think it
database
matters
wasn't opened, so.
But you need to create again the prefix and the S3.
Let me do the cd / it is U01 / what?
U01 / CTL.
We have 5, 6 there. We don't have 7.
We need 7, yeah.
Yes.
That's why I like to do those copies one by one.
Yeah, me too. I didn't really do it one by one. I really have very bad experiences.
See, like even the SQL, you see, it only took 3.
I probably didn't copy this thing well. Thought so.
Desmond, you don't want to shut down?
Okay.
That's fine. You're on the operating system. That's fine.
And the database is not open, right? Is it going to be a problem?
I don't think.
I mean, you can just shut down and start it up again. Because right now, yeah, you won't even.
I forgot that
the instance is already.
We have already moved.
Started, so you have to
we have already moved. We have already moved this U01. We have already moved control 01, so we have to change it now.
So move it from Dauda directory to.
Yeah, we have to put now my control.
This thing is serious reasoning. You did not copy this one.
That's CP, right?
You did not copy on your notepad.
Man,
what?
You're getting used to working with Puri. That's what happens. You just highlight and you forget to copy. Okay, now we have 5, 6, 7. Okay, let me shut down.
Oh, you have to get to SQL.
Yeah.
Shut down first. Okay.
Okay, that's good now.
Okay.
Why is it taking so long?
I can stop sharing. I think it's gonna work. You can go to
Oh,
the next
hold on now. Let's see. This one is taking forever.
thing has mounted.
Okay.
It can
There.
when it has
Okay.
mounted, it just has to open. Okay, guys.
Okay. Somebody do the next question. Comment on the memory tag. Okay. Somebody do the next question. Emman, do you want to try? No, it's even simple. Like you said, do you want to try the next question or David?
I only create the database. I do not follow all those steps. Is it matter or I do not follow up the next?
It doesn't matter.
Question.
It doesn't matter. You can change the processes. It doesn't matter.
Yes, I'm not able to open my Pori. I don't know what the.
That means that I was talking for me alone. No. Okay. Stop sharing your screen. Okay, somebody else who was doing it can share his screen. somebody share his screen, please?
I don't know how to do it, so let me share my screen.
Another Desmond, please. 1 second. Another person. You guys are not working.
I'm on the multiplexing.
I'm having server problem.
This is the reason why I am insisting on those classes in school, because you guys are so comfortable. There's always an excuse, there's always something. Honestly.
So ask people who wasn't there yesterday, when are we gonna go to school? That's easy.
Honestly, you guys are feeling so comfortable when you're at home. You always have excuses. If it was just me, if nobody wants to share his screen, Desmond is not going to share his screen. I'm not going to share my screen. Somebody else. If nobody wants to share the
Already
screen,
shared it, right?
the class. That's what I'm saying.
I'm having server problems, so
I'm already
I think
far.
it's very low. It's very slow. I
How
can't
do
really.
what do they mean by?
I don't know what's going on with my server.
What do they mean by comment out? What does that mean?
What they say, no, it's not. It's like the first
You
one.
just put the hashtag on the where is it?
Change the parameter.
Wait, you don't even. Do you have it
on the 5th line from the bottom?
Fifth line from the bottom.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes.
Where they put this memory, I just.
No, on the beginning.
Yeah, you just put the hashtag.
No, I need to put
Where?
that on the beginning of the
Oh
leg,
wow,
yeah.
mine looks so different. Mine says memory _ target.
Normally, you must have memory on the stuff.
So you said what?
No, are you on Windows CPA?
Yeah.
Go to Puri. Go to Puri.
It's not me the same thing.
Yeah, it's the same thing.
It's the same
Normally,
thing.
he must have the. Just try the operating system. Go to your P5.
Really, $sign $home / DBS.
I'm not working on it. We'll do it tomorrow.
List. PI your P5.
Yeah, your P5. Go. Stop it now.
You need Galaxy. The color. No, we can still don't have it.
The same thing, right?
Yes, it's the same thing.
What does yours show?
Is it not the SGA target? I think it's that. I think it's the SGA target.
Yeah, SGA target, memory target
like
is the same thing, right?
The same thing,
Yes.
exactly. So
I'll
you have
just leave
to
this thing.
put the hashtag on the SGA target.
You have to put.
It's on the, but yeah.
Right there.
Right here?
No, SGA, not PGA, SGA target. The second coming from the bottom.
Oh, yes.
So I just put a slash here, that's it.
Hashtag.
No, hashtag, yes.
Hashtag. That's it. And I.
No, I'm not even saying.
But you didn't change the
178.
So it is going to be hashtag startup. I don't delete anything. I leave it like that.
Just leave it like that, yeah.
You have to save.
Change the parameter processing.
78.
Hey.
No. Go back to process.
Yeah, no.
I think David Maybe your problem is the ADOM. It's not even the memory. It is your ADOM that has a problem.
This one is not 178.
That's 178.
You put 175.
Okay.
Let me go to ADOM.
David, there's something you did wrong. It is the ADOM that has a problem. It's not a memory.
Not the memory.
No, it is the ADOM.
It means comment out.
I think I know.
That
I
one
know how
you
to
have to
solve
check.
that problem on SQL Plus.
This one, can I see how do you do it? I forgot. Please, can you go back? Like before VI.
To comment out the memory target, how do you
before VI?
No, before VI. What do? You see the
Oracle /DBS.
Is that to comment out the memory target?
Yeah.
How do you do it? You said CD what?
CD $Oracle _ DBS, huh?
I added this hashtag here.
Yeah, okay, that's my computer.
You save it.
No, I saved it already.
Yeah, go back to you need to see the CD.
Right?
CD Oracle _ DBS.
Wait, what are you saying? You are saying when you are doing it in the operating system?
No, yeah. Wait. I just went to I went to my P5, right? And there I came to, I opened it and did that notification you saw there.
But can you go back there, please? Because Bibish is trying to say VI. This is where you want to do it from.
I went to this is the command I put.
I know when you are in the Galaxy, you need Galaxy.Aura, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, so what do you change there in Galaxy.Aura? That's what I want to say.
You change the process.
Change the parameter process.
Process to 178. And I put this
and the memory target.
So the Galaxy, what they said about the comment out the memory target in Galaxy is just to do what?
To put it hash here. You see where this hash is?
So you know that color, and then it's small to figure out it. I can't see it.
You just put hashtag before the parameter they've asked you to. Okay, David. The problem with is the ADOM.
Let me
so
show you.
Your audit file might not be writable. That means you cannot create a
ADOM for which database?
For the database you're trying to create, you cannot create an ADOM, maybe because of space. And if it is because of space, you just solve the space issue normally.
Do you see this one now?
Yeah.
Hey, Joe.
Yes, better.
But yeah, there is a hash here. You see this hash?
Yeah.
But you don't remove any stuff.
So that's comment out. Yeah.
Okay.
Don't remove any. I just add the hash there.
Oh, you don't need to remove that.
You just put just the hash. But okay. But you have a SGA_target.
Yes, that is a memory.
SGA is like a memory. SGA is a memory.
Okay.
David, just delete the files in the unnecessary files in your database and try to create the database again in your data.
I'm gonna delete my cloud database.
Wait, did you put the common, did you use the common location for all your files?
Yes.
Okay,
But
did you
for this one, for the new one, no.
You need to put the common location. If it is not going to slash our data, that's the reason why there's that space issue. Try to do GU minus ZF minus H.
That's one. The control file we have to put, like they said, is 7. It has to be 7. So we put 3 in one direction and then 4 in another direction.
Let me share your screen.
Huh?
Put 4 in one directory and put 3 in the other directory. It doesn't make any difference. So you choose.
Renata, you were saying something.
I'm talking to David. I'm asking him to share his screen. Go on, Puri.
Puri or VCN?
Puri. Okay. Do df minus h. df minus h. D as in dog. F minus h.
DF.
F as in food. DF minus h.
DF.
Okay.
D as David. Space minus F. H minus H.
H as in house.
H.
Yes.
Enter.
User one
okay,
is
your
full.
user one is full. But that's the it must create your database. That's the reason why I'm saying maybe you do not use the same location for all your data files. That means you do not put the /ORA data for the same location of your data file. Because you still have space in your /ORA data, you must be able to at least create the database.
No, Renata.
No, I don't think so. Because where are you going to put?
It might not be. He should go and check if he has some other old database, all those stuff, and if he has the and then clear.
So he cannot create a database.
If it's 100%, I don't think, because like there's nowhere to put the TNS names and all that.
He cannot do anything as it is 100% right now.
Yeah.
Okay.
He cannot do anything on that database.
Okay, then. So David, you know what is left for you to do. You just need to
even if he tries to connect to any of his database, it's gonna show him error.
That's true.
None of his database can even connect right now. I think so.
Okay, you just need to play your thing.
Check if you have old database you are not using. Go and delete all the database.
Delete everything in FR. You delete the FRA. You delete the TNS names, the unnecessary TNS names, and the
Let's just help him to do it now. Go to your.
Yeah.
We cannot help him to do it now. It takes a lot of time.
Well, it's most likely your backups that's taking a lot of space. So check your flash recovery area and your I think she called it DAR something.
A lot of time, and we're still on question 4.
I mean, we've done it so many times. I think
we've done it with Marinette. You help Marinette to do it.
But didn't you say? Okay.
Okay, thank you. Stop sharing your screen. Next question.
And Naza, just help him with one question, so he can delete at least and see how he can do next time.
Go to your winner
he try a lot.
U01 APP.
Or data.
Actually, yeah. Start with admin. Start from the top. Actually, go to DAG first. DAG. So you have to delete from DAG and from flash recovery area. You have all these databases?
Yes, I want to delete this one.
Okay, then just right click and delete everything. That's gonna take some time.
That one is going to take time. He can do the next one is himself, so he can get some space.
The next class we're starting from question 20. Guys, we're going to do from where we stopped today to question 20. If anybody has an issue, brings it and we'll solve it.
I think it's the good solution, so we can move so fast.
For those who were not here yesterday, we had a meeting yesterday about the classes. The majority of us want the class to be on Tuesday on campus in Brontech. So we're still trying to decide on the date, on the time. I propose from 6:30 to 11. Like our normal group meetings from 6:30 to 11. So we're trying to see, we're trying to come up with a time. And if it is possible, we're starting next. So if you guys want us to change either the date or the time, then it is time for you to talk. As I said, on Tuesday, everybody's there. Corinne just left. I think everybody used to be there on Tuesday. So we'll be having one class on campus every week. Because the way we're moving, the way we are moving, some of us are not even moving, honestly. Some of us are not even moving. I know more than 50% of the is still back. I mean, yeah, more than 50% of the class is still back. So it's either we wake up now or we give up.
Nobody's going to give up.
So me personally, I can't stay in the campus until 11. But I work every day at 6, so I don't know. I wake up at 4:30, get myself ready.
Okay, no problem. If you want to leave earlier, no problem. But I think the class will end at 11. Leave earlier. Anybody else? I think Monica was not here. Yes, David.
I was.
Oh, okay. Emma and Desmond. Yes, were not here yesterday. If nobody says anything, that means everybody's okay.
Yeah, but We are okay.
We'll be starting next week.
Well, you guys are going to give me a few times to change my schedule. Because Tuesdays I'm always closing, so probably by the next 2 weeks, I'm going to switch to stop closing. But I'll make it. That week on the upper one.
Nada, are this good?
Okay, again, the same command df and it's
Yes.
h.
Yes.
Your Oracle. Go to Oracle.
There is some rules.
Go to flash recovery area. And you delete all this extra stuff. That should be empty.
I'm not seeing your
screen.
Just
your
go to your PuTTY and see what
your PuTTY.
Just press the up arrow and enter. On your keyboard, just press the up arrow. Enter. That's it.
1%.
That means you still have
Have
a
you
lot of
deleted
things in there.
all the databases we're not using?
Is your
Go to admin. Are you using all these databases?
No.
You delete it, you go on
Yeah.
TNS names, you delete it, you go on Orata, delete.
Even if from your DBS.
You go even in the pre file, you delete all the unnecessary.
And also you have to make sure that your databases are pointing, like the flash recovery area, the FRA is pointing to /ORAData. If not, then all your backups are going to come to your flash recovery area. Okay, Renata, I think we should, because I think Emerald is going to start answering these questions tomorrow. So maybe we can just discuss them, like to see who has a problem with which question. Since
Okay.
we're not able to do it, like, work on it.
Okay. So we stopped on question 6. Establish a client connection. Who doesn't know how to do it? Okay. Take a full database export of Galaxy using Datapump. Who doesn't know how to do the database, the export? Okay.
Just do it, eh?
Excuse me?
Just do it. I don't know if I know it or I don't know, but I think it is one of those things that you never know.
We just, exactly, we're just gonna discuss it now. Each and everyone will do it because next class we're starting from question 20. So I'm expecting everybody to do it until from question 6 to question 20. So that obviously you might have some errors and all those stuff, but I think it's gonna be okay.
So for the I think the Datapump. Well, to establish the connection, a faster way to do it is to just go directly on your desktop and go to where the TNS names are. You don't have to copy it from your U01, or you don't have to copy from there like the way she showed us. So you can just go to the file that you already have on your desktop, drag it out and put it on your desktop.
I mean, that's how we do it, right?
Yes, but
that's
let's
how
see.
all the group, I think everybody.
But now let Anita share her screen and see.
No, that's how we used to do.
That's how we used to do it. The normal way.
No, okay, no problem. Because the way she showed it in class was you have to copy it from your database and then drag it out and all that.
So I can see it.
Okay.
And I think for the full database export, you're going to have to create a directory and replace it. So create or replace directory. I think it has to be the directory of your choice.
Like we normally do the export, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
But in previous question, usually they'll give us the directory, but here I think you just make up your own directory.
Okay. Manually create a database. Everybody knows how to do it. Create a user. Everybody knows how to create a user. Create a user in Galaxy called Galaxy Owner. Make black hole. Yeah. Make black hole his default table space. That one too, I guess everybody knows how to do that. Anybody doesn't know how to do make a
is default. Maybe
make a table space the default.
Maybe I think I forgot. I don't know.
You just create user X identified by X default table space. That's it.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Duplicate the data in the table. I think I've showed you guys. You just union all 2 times.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so for question 12, there is like a trick there. So the customer underscore view, that view belongs to OE. It doesn't belong to sys. So before, when you want to select create as, you have to put OE dot customer underscore view.
I don't understand.
OE is the owner of the view. Because now if you go on your database and you say desk customer underscore view, it's gonna say there's no such view that exists.
It belongs to
So you need to connect to OE?
No, you don't need to connect to OE. So you what did I do? I think there's a way you can see. So I select owner underscore owner comma view underscore name from all underscore view, where view name like, and then you put customer, like one of the keywords in between those percentage signs. So what I came up with, it just showed me, actually, let me share my screen. Okay, so this is what I did right here. I select owner view where view underscore name like customer, because I tried to, actually, I didn't even copy that part. But it said something like the table of view does not exist. So I was confused. But then here I was able to know that it was from OE. So
Okay.
what I did was I altered the user OE, unlocked it, and then since heaven underscore own has the DBA privilege, I think he can select from any views. So then I was able to desk the OE, but you have to put OE in front because OE is the owner of that view before you select, and it's a pretty long table. It's like 319. Then you have to triplicate it, which comes to 957. That was a tricky question.
Okay, thank you. So the next question, in heaven at the heaven underscore own heaven underscore table course. In heaven, that is a database. Add a column in heaven underscore own. Heaven underscore own is a user. Heaven underscore table. Okay, it is heaven underscore own dot heaven underscore table. That means user dot the table name call space underscore ID with the attribute car. Car is a data type and the constraint primary key. Okay.
So that one, we did it in class. So all you have to do is you have to add the extra column, which is space underscore ID, and then make it the primary key.
Do I need to create a sequence?
You have to create the sequence, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, so first you create the column, you create the sequence, you add to the sequence, and then you put the primary key. Yeah, you make the primary key.
For doing the normal command.
Yeah.
Okay. So next one says create a database link. Now you know how to create a database link. Use the database link to view the data in heaven underscore own. So if you did the last one, I think you'll be able to do this.
Yeah. So
Okay.
you have to create database link to Galaxy underscore owner.
Okay, so create a database link. Copy the table heaven from heaven to Galaxy under Galaxy owner schema. Copy the table. Copy a table from a database.
So I think that's just create the table as select all from heaven underscore table using GalaLink.
Store the table in the moon table space. I think I just playing with
words. Yeah.
Yeah. Because the second one, I think you need to move.
Yeah, just move to because you know heaven Galaxy underscore owners default table space is, I think, black hole. So any table that you bring in there is gonna go to black hole. So you have to move it to moon.
Okay. So the next one says configure a second location for the archive logs of the configure the second location of the archive logs to
the Galaxy database.
The Galaxy. What is question one? Configure a second location. 18. Okay. So I think you just show parameter archive, right? Oh, wait.
I think, she also said that every time you change something on the database, you have to let Arman know. So you also have to change it.
You change the channel?
Yeah,
No.
you change the channel.
The channel, okay. So you configure the channel and you change the log this one. When you show parameter archive, you change the this one, the log archive log this one. So the next one says perform a user managed hot backup, including SP file and P file of Galaxy. Okay. So all the location we gave to the control files and the log file, take note of it when doing the user management backup. Configure the database.
Copy the P file and the SP file.
You configure the database Galaxy for recoverability. We've already changed the destination, so you just need to change the size, or you don't even need to. If you want, you change the size, but you've already changed the destination. So this is if you created it on DBCA, but if you created it manually, you need to change the destination again and the size and create your P file from your SP file. Configure Arman backup setting. Okay, you know how to change the retention policy, the optimization, and the control file. When you show all, you're gonna see it, you just change it. When you show all on Arman. Okay, create a database direct from backup done. Create a database from a backup.
So this is a backup-based duplication.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, from the backup that we did in 19.
Okay. Backup-based duplication. Okay, the next one says create a recovery catalog. How to do it? Register the database in the recovery. You just register the database. Take a full user managed backup of Galaxy and let Arman be aware of it.
So for me, that question, I think, is when you're registering the backup. I think that's what it means. Remember how when you're registering the database, after archive start with, I think
it makes sense.
Yeah, something start with the backup
Arman
location.
be aware of it. Okay. Perform an active duplication. No, am I far? Define your backup strategy for Galaxy database. Put an image copy. I mean, when you look at it, it looks easy, but obviously when you're gonna do it, you come through a lot of errors. So
also another thing you need to take note of the database, because it's like each question is switching from one database to the next. Like for instance, question 21, you're talking about heaven. But then for question 2, when you have to do the backup-based duplication, you have to connect to Galaxy. So you need to be careful, like to know which database. Because with that one, I was almost done. But then when I went to edit the P file, I was like, I only had two control files in there. I'm like, no, I'm supposed to have 7.
So you need to change the database.
Yeah, I forgot to change the database.
Okay. Perform an active duplication. Transport the star table space from Galaxy to Heaven and remap the, I think it's export to, it's export.
Yeah.
You export and you remap. Okay. In Galaxy, set the retention policy and make image copy. Just set your retention policy and you make an image copy. You set the parallelism too.
Oh, yeah, and you have to enable the blockchain tracking.
The blockchain tracking.
Mm.
Okay, create a script to implement the following backup strategy. This is just typing, right? Okay, now.
No, this is, you have to edit your Chrome tab.
Oh.
Yeah, that one is Chrome tab.
Oh. Okay.
Perform
a table space.
This is a long ass thing, man. It's so long.
Yeah.
Yeah, I need help, please. Finish. People should go on. I need I've messed up my control file. I wanted to do that multiplex. I've messed up.
You can share your screen. As Emerald used to say, I know you guys can handle these questions.
Do I have permission to share?
Yeah, you can.
Look, can you see my screen now?
Do you know the problem at least?
Can you see my screen?
Uh-huh.
Same error Desmond got. 00205.
See, I was
go to your alert log and see what the problem is. You were trying to do what?
Multiplex. No, I don't know if I did it the right way. I just want to show how
just look at question 43 for a second and let me know what that is.
Okay.
I'm like, have we done this? AWR report.
They generate an AWR report.
Yeah, an ADDM report.
I think
is this like
done
DB1 stuff?
You've done it on chapter. Is it chapter 12 of DBA?
Yes. The AWR, is it
an ADDM? Yeah.
Is it automatic?
Memory management.
Wait, you say in DB1?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. But we didn't practice it.
Wait, Renata, you said what was the meaning of AWR? What does it stand for?
Automatic working repository.
Yeah, automatic workload repository. That's it.
Uh-huh. It is performance management, chapter 13.
So how are you supposed to?
Managing memory components. So you guys don't need to forget anything. Joseph, I was saying that you need to go to your alert log to see what you did wrong.
That's it. That was my alert log.
Okay, it says that cannot open the specified control file. So my control 01 was not copied. It's just my control 01.
This is
Slide, go a little bit up.
Control/control. Wait, this I don't understand this error because it looks like or data slash.
Cannot open. That means you did not copy. When it says it cannot open the specified control file, that means
I know. I want to explain something. I don't understand. Why did they put it this way? It was supposed. Okay. Yeah, I understand.
I copied it from Galaxy to my control.
Let me show what I did.
It did not move. It did not move.
I know, but this is it, right? Or I did a mistake. I had to do it, or I never did it.
You did not have to do for 02 and 01.
Sorry?
Just like Desmond. You do not have to do for 02 and 01.
No, I just started copy Galaxy Control 1 to Control 2.
You already have Galaxy Control 02. Yeah, your database had the Control 01 and 2. So you needed to move from Galaxy Control 01 to my Control 01 and Galaxy and to my Control 02.
3 or 2. So wait, from this copy here, right? I started here. So it means this part, I was not supposed to do this one.
fine. That's fine. There's no problem. You did it well. So you just copy the control 012. It's just gonna cause you a problem on question 19, but there's no big deal. Do it on go for
No, forget about
control
question
01.
19. Forget about question 19.
That's what I'm saying. There's no problem here. You're okay. Just do for control 01. That's what your alert log says. You've not done for control 01. That's why you had that problem.
I understand, right? That's why I said, okay, this is a step I did it. So if I was to do it for the control 1, how was I supposed to do to start here?
Instead of my control 02, don't do my control 01.
Instead of 02 here,
I
was supposed to do 1, or I should do 1 now.
You should do 1.
But I thought you said 2 already exist. It doesn't mean 1 doesn't exist.
No, that's fine. Do 1. You said that we should forget about question 19. So
I want to understand before fixing it now. I know you said I should do 1 now, so that's what I'm saying, right? These are the steps I did. So if I wanted it to work right at this stage, when I was copying here from here,
there's no problem here.
So where is this problem coming from?
The problem you have is that you did not copy control 01. You started from control 02, 3, 4, 5. You did not do for control 01. That's where the problem is. You did it correctly, but you omitted.
So that's why I asked. So it means I was supposed to start like as I did CP data/galaxy control 01.ctl /oragata control/control 1.
1 exactly.
0.
Yeah.
I never started control 1. Now what do I do now at this stage?
Just copy. Your database is down. Just copy. You for control 01. No, don't do that. Okay.
So CP or data galaxy control 01 to.
Yeah, just put control 01.
Here, right? Like this.
Have you copied?
Yeah. So I just do it now. The system has gone so slow. Renata, have you anyone try using this app, which is just like the ones Zuez recommended some other time?
No, I haven't tried it.
This is it here. There you can see it, right? Where I'm pointing my mouse at.
Maybe extern.
Yeah, I think so.
I haven't tried it.
I think it's like I think it works like Puri, but with it, it's more advantageous because like you have like a trace of what you are working on. Like for example, all what you have worked on. If you like, like if you open the employee table, for example, now if I open the employee table to view it, all what I've done, like all these things, you might not see them anymore, right? Your past history. But with it now, you can, he said, like you can go back on a setting and then you see all your work that you were doing before. So if like you need to get a backup of your work, you can just copy it from there. All right, so now I can just start up, right? Oh, I have to create Renata.
Yes.
It's copied.
Okay. Did you create a P5 from SP file?
I did here. This is it here.
But you copied again something, so obviously you need to do it again. Shut down your database first. Okay. Create P5 of this P5.
You can just create it now, right?
Uh-huh.
So
No, try to start up. Did you verify the other directory, the user 1/? Yeah.
Which directory again?
You created 7 control 5, right?
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. Did you verify that the others were copied?
Yeah, I think so. Here, right? These are the other directories.
Okay.
Prof is running a bad job. That's why the system is slow now. Another, when are you going in for your interviews? You say you wanted to start with.
Are you serious? Are you chasing me?
You can still start with the beginner while you were still schooling, and then as you finish now with their company, you just hit them with your certificate and everything now to just get promoted.
Now, what? I don't even have a SQL plus the SQL fundamental. Which job am I going to have? You need the SQL fundamental.
To have it, is it not just to take it? But I heard that SQL fundamental, we must not take it with Prof, right?
I don't know. I know we have to take it with Brontech, but since we're not having the class normally as they used to be, so I don't know how it works now.
Yeah, because somebody told me it's just like a certificate. It's just a certification, so you can take it. You must not take it with Brontech. So I'm just saying, though, I have not said I want to do or someone should go and do it somewhere. I'm just asking because I heard of it.
I've never heard about the script for the DOM file for the SQL fundamental. But if you have it, you can just give me. I just want to try.
You want to? You don't have time. Somebody who told me that is it Sakisa? Is Sakisa here?
It's Sakisa. That's true. It's Sakisa who said it in the group.
Yeah, Sakisa.
Yeah. I'm there.
Then you are hearing all the discussion. You will not help us.
No, I didn't hear you before.
Sakisa who said it.
Another say if you know anybody who has the SQL fundamental.
DOM file, I beg share.
Interested.
No. He said he's working on it. So when should be ready, he will let us know. The one you have is the old one, the previous one. All of us, we have it.
This one, do you have the SQL fundamental?
I have the previous.
I don't have it.
No, I have the previous. I will post the previous to our group. But but the new one, he said maybe they already updated. So he's working for the new one. When should be ready, he will let us know.
He will let you or us. Are we going?
No, he will let me. He will let me, not us. And me, I will let you guys know.
Yeah. Like, is he going to like take it for you or going to give you the DOM file? That's what I want to know.
No, he's going to take from me. When he take from me, I can ask him to give me.
He will not give.
He's trying to take from me too.
How do you think the person can take the exam for you and then he gives you the DOM file? He knows you're going to scatter the DOM file.
Yeah, he's sure.
He will not give you. That's his business. So you think he will take all this time to get a DOM file and then...
Yeah, you're right.
Did it. So Renata, you see now, Sakisa is there.
Okay. Those of you're chasing me. Wait when I will go.
Hey. I already took, is it that autonomous and OCI? I took those ones too already. Okay.
Oh, you took it and you passed it.
Yeah, I sent a message in the group now the day I took it. I was not in one class like that because of that.
Oh.
After that, I sent a message in the group.
Yeah, we remember. We congratulate you.
My days came until it passed. I didn't even care about it.
That's the same thing that happened to me. I don't know. A notification just came. I just said, let me just check. And then it happened. I saw it. And it was the day I had to
We'll be meeting on Thursday. Okay, you guys have a good night.
All right. Good night, everyone.
Okay.
Good night.
Some people already left. No, but someone should not start snoring like someone did in the
No, nobody's snoring.
someone came and he was connected. Then he started sleeping. I was snoring.
As Desmond is there, Dev.
The kitchen.
Ah.
Desmond is the kitchen.
Sakisa is there, grape juice. Sakisa, you have to apologize.
The class is ending. Sakisa has not apologized, so he said he will. No. Maybe he's preparing something for us.
No, I apologize, guys. I apologize.
Sakisa is how they apologize. He say
It was not easy. A lot of job to make that happen. The good thing is,
I saw your code. I said, oh.
So just dancing, Sakisa, you know how to dance, but you don't know how to apologize, right?
No, that's what I'm here for.
Sakisa, we are waiting for
Sakisa kills me that day. Oh my God, Sakisa.
The bitch was hungry. You made the bitch was hungry, and the bitch could not eat. The bitch was seeing food, but the bitch could not eat.
Yeah, Bibi come very early. I saw her before.
With hungry.
I saw her.
I think she was hungry. You said she came early. She was hungry.
When she came.
Sakisa, what did you say in the group? We supposed to be there at 8 o'clock, right?
Yeah, I was very sure that family should be ready at that time. But when I came back to pick up the family, there was no ready. The time to put the dress, that's how the time going on there.
But Sakisa, at least what you were supposed to do, you should have at least informed someone there who was taking care of the occasion there to like, I have some people there, please, people should like attend to them and like give them what they want, something like that.
Yeah, I called somebody. He said you was in the small room. I asked them to take care for you. I called somebody there. He told me you were to the small room.
Which small room, Sakisa, are you talking about?
They said you have some small room.
She left the house without eating because she knew that she was going to eat and drink.
Yes, I was like, let me go eat to Sakisa party because I don't have time.
Oh, hi guys. Oh, I'm back. Oh, you guys are closing already. You guys are talking about that. The first thing, another person who's supposed to apologize is Ronaldo. She called everybody, said that we should meet there, and she wasn't there.
Yes.
And yes.
Ronaldo too.
That is not. It's not nice. You should have said that I won't be there. When you say okay, we meet there, and you don't come. You think that the other people are what? It's not nice.
Is it a bad thing?
No, because you were talking like maybe you should be there alone. So everybody should come to assist Sakisa. Now that everybody, I mean me, I said, okay, let me go. And I said, okay, we meet there, yes. And it wasn't there.
Another trick meet us.
Yeah, she tricked people, and she's laughing. Next time, don't remind people to go if
I wanted to
don't want to go.
That one, no, I wanted to come. I had planned to come. I even called because I didn't have.
And that was the second.
What happened to
time. I was really mad because that was the second time.
With my
other day, you said that the meeting was at 7:30. Who will be there? You say yes, I will be there. You didn't even come and you didn't even apologize too. So you are doing the same thing like Sakisa.
No, I said who's gonna be there? 2 people out of 12 have responded.
But why don't you say that? Okay, just let it go so that I will go and do other things instead of be coming and check my phone. I say and drop everything, waiting for 7:30. Nobody is there, and you don't even say anything.
It is the fault of the group. It is not my fault. I just
no, but you ask who's going to be there. Marinette and I will say we will be there.
I didn't have anything to do, so I was expecting everybody.
Are you supposed to let us
know? But just say that, guys. It's only 3 of us. Just let it. Just cancel, and then we meet the other day.
Hey, yeah. I never knew you guys were waiting for me like that.
Yeah, you were waiting because
Renata, you have to apologize to Marinette and Bibi for keeping not all of us.
And then after you, Sakisa now, Sakisa, when you did Sakisa, I can't even accept your apology. You cannot put people there from 8 to 11 something. And you just come and dance like nothing is happening.
Sakisa International, say something. Eleve, eleve.
You enjoy the eleve now. It was very nice.
I love you. You dance.
That's why I sent you the video.
Yes.
Imagine all that your food. Us in the group, nobody tasted anything. All that food that we saw.
You don't have to carry our empty stomach and leave.
Sakisa, you're going to pay it.
You know, okay, Bibi, you know what Sakisa will do to us?
No.
When we will start the classes in school, right?
Yes.
I know that.
He is going to organize one day to bring us. He will choose what.
Organize a party back in school.
Sakisa, say something.
If it's fried chicken or fried rice.
No problem, no. When you did something wrong, anything you want to make.
No, I like you, Sakisa.
Anything we want you to do to arrange the situation, you are going to agree.
Yes, you will buy everybody. I don't know if you buy or you will prepare.
I will do. Don't worry.
With
okay.
That day you bring to school after
when we start physical meeting or when we start project.
Yeah,
one day we will make something to fix that.
Okay.
Then we are not forgiving you till when we see that thing because you don't answer like that.
Give me, Joseph.
Sakisa International élevé.
All right. Good night, guys.
Okay, good night. Oh, my